Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed to take your at-home waxing experience to the next level. Waxness Premium Luxury Bikini Lotus Hard Wax Beads. This professional-grade wax is specifically crafted for the delicate bikini area, and it's made in Italy, a place known for high-quality beauty products. But is it really worth the hype? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what this wax is all about. The Waxness Premium Luxury Bikini Lotus Hard Wax Beads come in a 19.8 pound, 8.98 kilograms bulk package. It's a rosin-free polymer blend synthetic resin, meaning it's designed to be extra gentle on the skin, particularly in sensitive areas like the bikini line. The creamy texture helps reduce irritation, which is a huge plus for anyone who has sensitive skin. This wax has an exclusive Lotus Blossom scent, giving your waxing session a subtle, pleasant fragrance, making it a more enjoyable experience than the typical chemical smells that some waxes bring. However, note that this wax is not microwavable. It's a pre-melted product, so it's ready to use once heated. If you receive it in granule form, that's typical, but you may also get it in larger chunks or bricks. Don't worry, this doesn't affect the quality at all, and it'll still perform as expected. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I've tested this wax multiple times, specifically in the bikini area, and it does live up to its claims. The creamy consistency applies smoothly, and it pulls hair out effectively with minimal discomfort. If you've used hard wax before, you'll know that it can sometimes be a bit stiff or hard to work with, but this one was easy to spread, even on areas that are typically more challenging, like the bikini line. It did an excellent job of grabbing even fine hairs without causing too much irritation, which is ideal for sensitive skin. However, I will say that because this is a larger quantity, you might find it more suitable for professional use or for those who do a lot of at-home waxing. The 19.8 pound size is a lot for personal use unless you're waxing regularly or doing multiple areas. For those with smaller needs, this might feel like an overwhelming purchase. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. Pros. The creamy texture makes it easy to apply, even in sensitive areas. It's rosin-free, so it's ideal for those with sensitive skin. The Lotus Blossom scent adds a nice touch and isn't overpowering. High-quality, professional-grade formula designed for bikini areas. Cons? The 19.8 size is quite large and might be impractical for casual users. It's not microwavable, which could make it a bit less convenient compared to some other options. The occasional mix of chunks and granules can be a little off-putting, although it doesn't affect performance. Now, as for the value for money, this wax is definitely on the pricier side, but considering its size and professional-grade quality, it offers good value for those who regularly wax. If you're just looking for a product for occasional at-home use though, you might want to consider smaller quantities or alternative options that could be a bit more affordable for your needs. In comparison to other bikini-specific hard waxes, this product stands out due to its creamy consistency and its gentle formula. While other waxes might be more affordable or come in smaller sizes, Waxness delivers on performance and comfort, which is why it's favored by many beauty professionals. When it comes to build quality, the wax itself is made from premium ingredients that ensure a smoother experience. The packaging is sturdy, and even though you might get the wax in chunks, it's easy enough to melt down and use without any fuss. As for longevity, since this is a bulk product, it's built to last a long time. Just make sure to store it in a cool, dry place. If you're wondering about customer support, I've heard that Waxness has a strong reputation for being responsive. While I haven't needed to contact them personally, I've read positive feedback regarding their customer service, which bodes well if you're concerned about the purchase. As for alternatives, if the price is a concern or if you need a smaller quantity, there are other bikini-specific hard waxes that come in smaller sizes and may suit different budgets. That said, if you're looking for something that's easy to use, effective, and gentle, this Waxness option is hard to beat. To wrap things up, the Waxness Premium Luxury Bikini Lotus Hard Wax Beads deliver on quality, performance, and comfort, especially for those who regularly wax. While the large size might not be ideal for everyone, it offers excellent value for those in need of a professional-grade product. Its creamy texture and rosin-free formula make it a standout in the world of bikini waxing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.